Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send audio files on Instagram quickly and easily. First of all, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone or Android device and log into your account. After that, tap on the plus symbol at the bottom right corner and then select Upload File. Next, tap on Browse and locate the audio file you want to share and select it. Now, after the file uploads, refresh the app and you will see it appear at the top. Then, tap on the three dots menu next to the file and select Share. Now, in the menu, tap on the person icon at the bottom. Then, tap on the link icon at the top right to copy a shareable link to your phone. Finally, open Instagram and paste the link into your message. Now, the person you sent it to simply needs to tap the link to access the audio file. If the file doesn't open directly inside Instagram, they should tap the three dots in the top right corner and then choose Open in Browser and the audio will start playing. And that's all. You've successfully sent an audio file on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.